This Unicode will be same meanings. The meaning of the unique code will be the same in the worldwide. For example, ASCII, character and codes. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Each character is assigned a specific code. This is the ASCII characters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, capital letters and small letters. And each character have a ASCII codes. The value of the capital A is 65. The value of the B is 66. And same in this manner, the C value 67, D is 68, like this it will be till Z. But the small letters of the A, the ASCII value will be start from the 97. The value of the B will be 96, C will be 97, like this till Z. Now we will discuss about the tokens. What are the tokens? You would have studied the biology about the cell in the human body. It is a fundamental and functional unit of human body, like a human cell. A token is also functional and fundamental unit of a computer program. So in other words, we can say that token can be identified as each individual component of a Java statement in such a way that it carries some meanings and takes part in effective execution of the programs. The various type of tokens are available in Java. One is identifier, assignments, operators, literals, and punctuators. Identifiers may be any alphabet, and assignment operator only the equal sign. And operators may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And literals may be any type of the digits. For example, just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And punctuators, those are the separate the any type of the word or sentence. This semicolon type, that is called the punctuator. Now we will discuss about the literals. Literals means constant. A quantity in a computer program which may not change its value during the execution of the program is called literals or constants. These literal and constant are the different type. Integer type may be any type of the digit, may be negative and positive. And real literals, any type of the digit may be a decimal. And character set, any type of the single characters will be in single quotes close. And string literals, any type of the word, any type of the sentence, it will be closed in double close. And boolean type may be true or false. And one is null characters, like this. Now identifiers, just opposite of the constant. A quantity in a computer program which may change its value during the execution of the program is called identifier or variables. Most of the students are familiar both definition of the constant and variables. Now how we will use syntax, data types, space and variables name. This is the data type integer suppose, then we will give the space and then we will define the variables. Then assignments, how you will declare integer a and assignment constant a is equal to 5, long b, then b is equal to, means the digit of this long will be more than 2 digits, and float decimal digit we have to use, and double more than 2 digit will be after the decimal point, and character we can use like this in a single course.